They call it aging, the slow drain of your energy, the stubborn belly fat that no workout seems to move, the restless nights, the short fuse. But what if I told you it's not just aging? What if I told you your testosterone has been quietly vanishing year after year, leaving you weaker, slower, and less like yourself? Across the world, millions of men are suffering from low testosterone, often without even knowing it. And the consequences? They're devastating. Muscle loss, brain fog, broken sleep, fading libido, and a creeping sense of depression that steals your edge and makes you feel like a shadow of who you used to be. Some men turn to testosterone replacement therapy, TRT, as the miracle fix. But here's the truth, TRT isn't a magic shot. It's a lifelong decision. And if you rush into it without knowing the risks, you could lose your fertility, skyrocket your blood pressure, even put your heart at risk. The dark side of TRT is real, and it's not being told to men who are desperate for answers. But knowledge is power. Before you even consider TRT, demand a full hormonal workup: total testosterone, free testosterone, estradiol, SHBG, thyroid, and hematocrit. Don't just settle for a quick test and a needle. Fix the foundation first, optimize your sleep, cut the alcohol, lift weights, clean up your diet, manage stress. These lifestyle changes alone can revive your testosterone naturally. If TRT is still needed, choose a doctor who specializes in hormone optimization, not a cookie-cutter clinic pushing injections to everyone who walks through the door. Understand the options: gels, patches, pellets, or injections. Each has trade-offs. And once you commit, you must monitor your blood every 3 to 6 months. No exceptions, because this isn't a one-time boost. It's a lifelong therapy that requires discipline, vigilance, and precision. Testosterone replacement therapy can change your life, or it can ruin it. The difference is what you know before you start. You've been listening to What We Weren't Told. Stay vigilant, stay strong, and remember, aging isn't about slowing down. It's about leveling up. If this message hit home, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and share this episode. Because somewhere out there, another man is struggling in silence, and the knowledge you share today could save his tomorrow.